My name is Lynn Campbell. I am an information systems security engineer here at Fathom5. What we're doing here today is we are doing a Cyber Awareness Day for Cybersecurity Month. We have everyone in the company involved in this. We brought in lunch. We have a board game for everyone to play, which kind of goes over different incident response scenarios. And then we're going through a few things on how to see vulnerabilities, prevent these vulnerabilities so that we do not have exploits within our systems. Fathom5 is definitely a security first mindset when it comes to creating these programs. And so we just want to make sure that everyone is aware of what our goal is, what our intentions are, and being able to be hands-on on these things that we may not see every day. One thing that everyone should take away from Cyber Awareness Day is that we all play a part in cybersecurity. When it comes to our personal lives, our personal information, that should be just as important as everything else that we do. So how we would secure ourselves is how we should secure our work.